Vital Vocabulary, Part 16, Places. We learn new words every week. General place words. Come here, please. To me, come to me, where I am. General place words. Do you know Brazil? I'm going there. There means from where you are now to somewhere away from you. General place words. I am coming back from Brazil in December. Coming back means to return or from there to here. General place words. There is food everywhere, in all places. Positions. On top of the mountain, the middle of the road, the bottom of the glass. Position. Front of the car, side of the car, back of the car. Positions. Beginning of the book, once upon a time. End of the book, the end. This is the right hand. This is the left hand. Right and left. The auto parts shop is to the right of the bookshop. The cafe is to the left of the bookshop. Home and away. Is Mary at home? Meaning in her house. Home and away. No, sorry, she's out. Meaning she's at the shops, she's at her work, or she's at a school. Home and away. No, sorry, she's away. So she could be in another town, another city, or out in the country. Home and away. No, sorry, she's abroad, meaning she's in another country. Usually you have to fly there or take a train. There is some confusion with new learners about in another country or in the country. So a country can be like the United States or Malaysia, but when we say in the country, we mean outside of the city, in the rural areas where there's farms and, livestock, cattle, or sheep. So in another country means a country outside of your country. In the country means in a rural area, an area outside of a city or village. Thank you for visiting this vital vocabulary lesson. Please check us out on YouTube at Czech Boo Suze and look for a free worksheet download in the description box below.